Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Echo, complete guide step by step clearly. Unbox your Amazon Echo device and make sure all components are included. Plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and connect it to your Echo device. Wait for the light ring on the Echo to turn orange, indicating that it's in setup mode. Download the Amazon Alexa app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, tap on the device's icon at the bottom right of the screen. Select the plus icon to add a new device. Choose Amazon Echo from the list of device types. Select the specific Echo model you are setting up. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the app to confirm that your Echo is connected to the internet. Once connected, the app may prompt you to customize your settings. You can set up your preferred voice responses and choose a language. You can also link your music services like Spotify or Amazon Music at this stage. Test your Echo by saying, "Alexa, what's the weather?" Familiarize yourself with basic commands to interact with your Echo. Explore additional features like alarms, reminders, and smart home integrations. Finally, experiment with skills to enhance your Echo's capabilities. Your Amazon Echo is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.